And then I want to look to see when the Nvidia's earnings are. I know they're soon. That's probably why the market's going like this. There we go. Yeah. Set this. Trump has a pre-tree. Okay. U.S. core. All right, so it's tomorrow. Okay, at 4:20. With the flow. Tomorrow, Stevie? Yeah, I just saw that. I think that's what the market's looking for. Thomas Shelby. Yeah, I'm in a short right now. Not very big. But this can go down a lot lower. Let's mark it out. Yeah, we can go to 240s to be honest with you. Maybe I'll try it. Right off the order block. It starts closing below 257s, then we're really going to be good and start cruising down. I gotta walk a little bit too.
Daddy, chill.
How long did it take you to get profitable? So that's a little bit of a double question there for me because I got really lucky. I study a lot. So in the beginning, I did support and resistance for a daily time frame on Forex, and I did really well. But for some reason, I got bored and went to other stuff. So like, I would say after that, because I study so much, it's a couple months for me, and then I eventually just get money, and then I'll switch and then go from there. But as long as you study and practice, then you just turn it over into real on like a practice count, and you go to a real count. You have to follow your rules, though. If you don't follow your rules, it doesn't work. But I've been trading, what, 15 years now? So past is real. You just got to stay consistent. You're not going to make money in the real market until you go into, until you can figure out how to practice. If you can't do it in practice, then you can't do it live. My heart up and Sebastian. Just looking at the market, Mr. Bastard, has it been shit or no? I mean, just looking at the chart, I mean. Don't you just go home? Kind of real slow. Yeah. I'm in a short now. off the order block. Going for the 50% retracement of this swing low and swing high. Swing low. The swing high. Just to keep it real simple, you know what I mean? Now, we're definitely closed below, so I'm thinking that we're gonna go in much larger move here. My own life. Heart open. Open just to feel. I think I need like $600 more to get the max payout on Lucid, but I'm trying to take my time. Music's low? No way. Let me check. It drives me crazy. How about now? No. Let's see. Yes. It seems loud now. I don't know. I just got on. Maybe they're still trickling in. Wow, look at this fucking monster. Look at this monster. No. Hello. Wow, look at that candle. Crazy talk. Crazy talk. Mr. Dad. All right, I'm trying to think here. If it comes back up, I won't like it. So I could put my stop loss just above that swing high, and I won't lose money. I won't gain money either. Let's go, motherfucker. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm in a short right now, right off that order block, and we're aiming for the 50% pullback on the swing low and swing high of the most recent swing.
Is that you? Hey, Spawn. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Hey, it depends on like how are you trading long style or not, you know? I mean, if you're trading like a longer style, maybe you're correct. I'm shorting short term. Mine's only 50, 60, 70, like a 30-point move. I don't know how long you hold your trades for. Hey. It should go down lower. I don't know if I should fucking trail one. I feel like I should trail one, right? Galactic, galactic, intergalactic. So we're at another order block right now as we speak. With the 0.23 pullback. We need to rip through, Daddy-O. Rip through, Daddy-O. Intergalactic. Come on, right there. 240, 240, 240. We are stalling crazy right now on another order block. It needs to rip down or else it's going to play games. Stop playing games with my heart. See, I don't like that. You can easily come right back up to like 260s. This is going to be a pain in the ass. Everybody sucks. Ripping someone's head off. Stay away, mother. This is one of those days. Look at that shit. Mr. Dad says, I'm not in. I was meeting. But funds. Pro 1000, daily 650. All right. Nice. That's good. Nice and slow. Looked up. There we go. All right. Very nice. It failed instantly almost. But it needs to go below 241 to really start moving. She says bullshit. Go to the 5. Just curious. See. All right. We're all right on that cloud. So this is where it's going to test. I feel like I should take one out, to be honest with you. Just in case. I mean, we are starting to turn bearish. Ass row. Because there is an order block here. But I know the market's been really choppy. So I'm undecided here. Give me something to break. Or should I just stick what I was doing? I don't know. Yeah, it's like going back and forth here. We are in the 5-minute cloud. The 5-minute too, so I'm thinking that it should hit 240 or lower pretty easily. Almost the thinking it definitely will. Probably in that 250 area. Probably needs to make a decision around here because it's on that cloud, you know what I mean? Day trade dad. Dad needs an eval. Can you hook me up, my dude? I mean, you can enter the giveaway. Let me see what I got on my account too. Let's see, man. Coupon request. I have 1 day to ask for 2 more evals. But I'm gonna do one this week. If you're in my Discord, you'll know how. Free Discord in the bio. I usually send out a message, everybody reacts to it. When everybody reacts to it, then I'll do a spin on the wheel of all the people that are there live. And then I do the giveaway that way. I got to decide what day I want to do it this week, though. Here, Thursday or Friday, maybe. I do an alert at all, so just look out for that. I alert all people in my Discord. $251, yeah, I'm thinking 240. See what happens. You also get extra entries if you have the code that you used to show. You have a receipt that shows that you used my code. You post that in Discord under receipts, and then you get an extra entry. All right, so our first target hit at 240. I have just below it, but I want to see if it hit the 50. It should. And then I'm going to have one left in. I think it comes all the way down, bruh. I'll probably take it out here, to be honest with you. The youth of a nation. All right, one out, one out. %50% or the 1 hour. We hit. We should actually technically hit like a yeah. I like this. I like it. I like it. I like the shore. If you're not following, hit that follow button. So trade day, if I keep it cool, I was thinking about taking out some yesterday, but I'm like, fucking, I made a lot of money, so I'm like, let me just make a little more. Slowly, nothing crazy. So my one trade day is at 54,355. So anything I make today won't be 50-50, it'll be 80-20. Corey Judge, help me sweep that 5-minute fair value gap. Where, down here? What are you looking at? What are you looking at, Willis? $230. See. I see it here. So you're thinking, yeah, but if it doesn't hold, then it's going to be inverted, correct? I think we cover this whole thing. 220 is a pretty safe bet, I think. You know, it's just not holding that cloud. But if I get any kind of sign that it's gonna reverse, then I'm gonna tell you guys. $240. Well, I don't know. It might go up to 240. I don't know. It might play games in between. Let you know. But we should be okay. Let's see. I'm in all the way up at 266, so I'm not worried. I already took half my TP. With you. No reason to stop here yet.
Wall Street Journal reports that OpenAI's head of data centers has left the company last week.
Paul, bad news. The whole market's propped up on AI news right now. Even though it's old news, right? Alright, we're definitely gonna bring this TP down, right? Remember with you. Alright, so new line in the sand here. Closes above 236 and no good. Closes above, but I think we Gucci, baby. I think we Gucci. Easily. This could make another lower low. See, we already hit 786. Could just toy around in here too. I mean, I know my TP is probably gonna hit, but I meant like if it's gonna go further. Think it goes further than this? I'm in a short. You can't. This box here. You see the red box with the green? So this is my stop loss and this is my TP. if that makes sense. It's all good. I just want to make sure everybody understands. So, like, if you can't understand it, then other people probably won't understand it. Here we go. Come on, we're almost there. Come on! Come on! Yeah, if I get
According to
something, of
sources,
course.
ECB policymakers are ready to raise rates in September to stem the side effects of the Iran war. So ECB policymakers have little appetite to signal
We did hit
further
the order
tightening.
block. I wonder if I
So
should just
again,
take it
sources
or
here are
not.
saying that ECB policymakers
I'm
are
gonna
ready
take
to
it, I
raise
think.
rates in September to stem the side effects of the Iran war. Bit of
I
strength
feel like that
coming
was a
through in
good
the euro off the
entry.
back of this.
Close. I still think it hits the what I said, 220, but I'm like, we're close enough. Let's see. I mean, in theory, we should hit 215s, but oh, there it goes, fucker. I got impatient. Very good, though. Let's go over the recap here. So, we had a
Daddy?
swing high and
Daddy,
swing
is that
low.
you?
We
Is
had
that you?
almost 78% pullback. And if you look closely here on my one bully blocks, you can see we have a bank order block where most of the banks like to get in and change the direction. So you see that it swings low and then swings all the way back up and starts to reject this area. My indicator makes the red dot. Time to enter. We perfectly got the top. And then we started to aim for the 50% and then realized that the 5-minute play is also a large move off of the another order block. So comes right back down, and now we're basically at the next one. So bang. Nice $500 move there. Yeah, we're looking for it now. We'll see what happens here. We got to be patient, you know, because the market's very weird.
Aces, thank you for joining the Soul Daddy.
Does the pro account have a buffer? Yeah, it's 2100. Ooh, this song gets me all hyped up, bro. Are you ready? Whoa! I think I weigh too much and my treadmill just like reversed on me. Mr. Dad says, okay, so it's going to take time and days to get up there and not to go over my percentage. You know, the pro, it doesn't matter how much you have in there after you take some out. The 50% is just of those 3 days, not the trial. So, yeah, I know. So I'm having that dilemma right now, though. I got 4,773 in the pro. It says I need to make $600 more. Well, now it's $300 more to get that 40% consistency. Is it 40 or 60? I'm pretty sure it's. I'm pretty sure it's 40. I'm thinking it, but I really want to wait just a minute here just to make sure. I don't want to get back no more money. Because we had the 5-minute right here, literally on the dot. Let's see, 50K Pro, off, funded rules, 40% consistency. Yeah, 40%. Okay. Yeah, I'm going blind. So trade day, I keep trading very slow and steady, and I got that up to $4,500. So today, I could take $500 out without barely having a fee. Your 5-minute is at 202, not yours. What the hell? Really? Are you trading on TradingView? All right, we got 5 minutes. Weird. Let me see. Gold's moving too. Yeah, no, I'm still at the 219 area. I can see, I'm going blind. Ooh. Might get a, nah, let's stick with Nasdaq right now. I can see, I'm going blind. All right, so technically, 5-minute, this is a long. But I want to get a good entry. Brent, you got cooked this morning? I didn't trade this morning. I got to work at like 6 in the morning. Did you at least survive your account? So this is a long on the 5. I want to see if I can get a nice long on the 1 first. And then we'll go from there. Because if I can get a nice 1-minute entry on that 5-minute long, then we cooking, baby. $200 drawdown left? Oh, man. You better go to MES then. Unless you just want to go balls to the wall in one trade. Everything's so bad. You remind me. Yeah, so it's either go slow on ES or go all in on NQ. Or MNQ, sorry. The small one. Battle. Yeah, so it says I have $400 left, 773. Yeah, I gotta make $400 more. Yeah. All right, 3 more minutes until the new Carpe Diem in Salento. That's that right? I believe it's going up too. The 5-minute says up. I just want to see if I can get a 1-minute entry here for the long. Ah. This is how you remind me. So like sometimes you can play games a little bit. Overall, I think up though. All right, we got 1 minute left until that new 15-minute high and low are created, and we can see if it wants to go up. What's up, pet? Yeah, yeah. Yelling for you. You good? Pet, are you from the USA? You can't say you good. You know what you good means in the USA? Yo, bro. You good? You good? Or you want that smoke, motherfucker? You good? Say, how you doing? How you doing? Brad, we're waiting 30 seconds. Okay, we got a new low here. What's up? You good? You know what time it is. You ever hear, if you're in New Jersey and you ever hear, and you're in the hood and you say, you know what time it is? Fucking run! Run! New York about slang. No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see Namia. We had a nice short, and I'm trying to see a sniper entry for this long. You know what I mean? Cool 3 sniper. Let's see. I kind of wanted to swipe one more time in like 212s. We're in that 5-minute OB though. Top Gun? Hey, how come yours is different? Someone in my Discord said my shit was different too. So my lowest point on this swing says 212. Or do you think it goes down to 203? If you can't see my whole chart, just turn your phone sideways. Be ignored. See, I'm trying to wait. If we would have just longed it already, would have been down like 50% of our move already. Oh, you really chat GPT'd it. It's all about the delivery. Yo, you good? Checking on you. You good, bro? Exactly. So, correct. But you can say, you good, bro? Like, yo, what's wrong with you? Like, you alright? Like, as a friend, you good, bro? Or, yo, you good? Nah, it's all good. I'm just playing with you. But it is the truth. You learn, body. How about this one? All good. All right, there's that one. Might have been the entry right there. Let's see. Might be the entry. So we got 3 wicks off the OB here. 1 does break above. American English is complicated. But I cannot learn Spanish. Oh my God. Bro, in Spanish, I saw this YouTube clip the other day. Seguro. Seguro has like 17 different meanings. And it's so funny because Spanish has to deal with a lot of how do you say it? Masculinity. How do I say that? You know, if you're a boy or a girl. All right, this might be the long, boys. All right, it's not there yet, though. I'm waiting patiently. We're already at that 50%, but I want it to close above. Away. You. All right. Now I'm going to go in long. Now, let's look at the 5-minute and see where 50% of this swing is, because that's what I really want to do. Is only take 50% of this high and low, the most recent one, and it points to 243. Because I don't trust it, you know? But easily go higher. But let me look at it real quick. But I'll have my TP there as it. All right, so we got that low. If it starts breaking this high, maybe. I think we Gucci to go up a little bit here. We're on that 15-minute cloud. Going in nice and gentle. I don't even know what the hell you're saying. We're above that 50% and the 1 minute right now. You could take it out. I might take out one, to be honest with you. Let's see. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see how this reacts. Okay, so if it starts closing below like 235s, then I'm going to get out. But I think we Gucci. I think we Gucci, man. And take the real way. Well, you shoved it in my face. Close below this, I'm going to be out. Testing it now, 27 seconds. Good luck, Brody. Nice long. Thank you, sir. Did you get it too? I need to see how this closes, though. 2 seconds. Oof. Is that considered a close below? I think it is. So I'm going to get out of this. Did not get to my area. And technically, this is a fucking short. See how it reacts. I'm gonna I really want to short this. Problem is that this opened below. Yeah, see, it gapped down. Okay, I didn't see that. Sorry. Sorry. So we would have hit TP probably. Yeah, the way that this candle reacted was weird. But if it closes below, then I'm good. Got 14 seconds. My bad, my bad. See how it opened below the support and resistance? That's like a glitch. Not a glitch. It's actually like orders. All right, so this definitely closed now. So now I'm going to short it. Now we're going to short it. Stop loss just above this high here. And then TP will be about 225.50. Games with me. You could be right, Pet, and this is just a micro. But I'm going to go for the micro pullback, too. If I lose one, I lose one. If I do lose it, then it's probably going to just continue to go up. Doesn't look too great already. All right, yeah, it got me out. So a little confusing area here. So we had the nice long there. And then it's probably going to hit 247s or higher. So 2 right, 1 wrong there. Where's the supply? There it is. Damn. The original long would have been good. Now 261's next. I don't want to chase it. Looks good though. I'm gonna chase a little bit. Fuck it. 260. Should have stayed in that long. Maybe I'll get back some of my money here. Should have stayed in that long. As soon as I started guessing the way it opened and closed, it looked really weird. You can see that it starts skipping around here. Like stuttered. Stuttered. I think I only lost like 27 times 3. $80. So if I can get 27 out of this, it washes that trade before. Walsh. I meant to say is. Come on, rip up. See, like this can easily pull back and then play games and then rip back up. See here. Come on. I need you to start moving. Definitely think 261.25, but I'll take it a little bit before. There you go. Move Move, Big Daddy. Come on. We got 1 more minute for this to keep ripping up. Yeah, I need to go up a little bit more for my trail. See what the pullback does. Wow, it's very dramatic here. I almost want to go in 6 now and close it out because of trade day. 6 long. Watch, it does exactly what I wanted before. I'd be so annoyed. Look at that fucking wick. Suffocation! No breathing! See, yeah, like, I was kind of right here. Throwing me off. Throwing me off here. If it fucking closes, if it fucking rips below this, that's not gonna be good. I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. I'm trading MNQ. But I just got like kind of molested here. My mother. See, like, this can start fucking dumping, bro. It's annoying when I fucking do this shit. Giving me multiple signals. I mean, we closed right back below this again. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Alright. Nothing. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Pet. It's going back and forth. Yeah. And this thing is fucking bearish again. Not holding. If it holds here, we'll be okay. Getting real choppy. We have, what, 3 minutes into MOC, too, so... Come on, break, 236, 236. Should be okay for a little spike. Very good. Get this back. Losing my sight. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Without the good 243s, at least. Gonna tank. I do think it does have a short bias on that 5. But it confused me twice here, so I'm not really sure which way. 1 minute time frame. Definitely bullish again for, you know, the short term. 5 minutes bearish. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. Thing needs to fucking hurry up. This is the 50% pullback, 244 area. And then this is probably more like 60. But larger time frame, this is negative 0.23 pullback. So we'll see. This is 3 days grace right now that's playing. I go in all different phases. I listen to everything. Got 1 minute left into MOC, guys. MOC is when
get the markets on close imbalance.
the inbounds change between, the Feds usually adjust their books, and then the big CEOs try to adjust with it. All right, we got 30 seconds. All right, bang. See? Very confusing action here. All right, we got 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. At least it recovered a little bit of that. Or you're asking me to pick? They both.
Markets on close imbalance. S&P 500.
Wait.
Excuse me 1 moment on the market on close imbalance. It's slightly lagging at the moment.
Lagging.
And here we are. S&P 500 is a buy side of 701 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 172 million. Dow 30 a buy side of
Not much at all.
4 million.
I think
Mag
bullish.
7 a sell side of just 10 million.
But let's just chill. Let's chill. Barely taking that out is bullish. I mean, I would assume it wants up here, man. I really do. You played games, though, with me. Stop playing games with my heart. Just wait a second. Because I'm a little confused. I think it goes up. It was very, very weak. Oh, so they did add 91 million into the Nasdaq 100. But I'm pretty sure this guy just said the wrong thing, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Pretty sure I don't know what's going on. What do you guys think?
So keep in mind, in 10 minutes.
Nvidia
time now,
tomorrow.
Top of the hour. We are expecting.
That's what this market's
comments
waiting
from
for.
Barkin. He's due to be repeating an old speech that he gave at August 13th, but that text is going to be expected. However, there'll be a Q&A as well, where we could get some more comments from Barkin.
Tomorrow's the big dog. Full part Sophie? I don't know. The video's tomorrow, bro. The video. Yeah, I think it's bullish, bro. I don't want to scalp it. Just gonna scalp in between. There you go. There you go, daddy. There you go, daddy. See if it wants what it wants to do here. Maybe we can get a short. In the video, yeah, but it's I'm at a treadmill, yeah. Gotta be healthy at the same time. Damn, see, like it would have hit my spot. Ooh. I need one good trade here. Fuck what they tell you. This thing is ripping. Jesus. This was the problem before, so let's see what happens. I would say if it breaks it's gonna keep going. But this is the orb high, right? Or no, that's the low. Shit. That's the orb low. We're right on it now, baby. What do we do? What are we doing? What are we doing? Pretty big fucking wick there. Pretty big fucking wick. Pet, you're funny. That was a good one. That's what she said. Want forces. See how this next candle reacts. There's usually like a little bit of an algo at 55, 15:55. So let's see. It's in 10 seconds. All right, 2, 1. The risk. Risky. I can see it going both ways, dude. I want to short it. But, I don't want to be an asshole. I think I'm going to short it. Just a scalp. Nothing crazy. Because, you know, end of day. Who knows if I'm actually right. Still on top of the orb low. Starting to try to see if it wants to come down. Let's get the 5 minute. 5 minutes saying FU. It's a huge candle. I don't see why we don't get a pullback. At least 50% of it. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Pet. Do what you tell me.
As I do, just keep in mind, we did see this article from RIA News a little bit earlier in the evening. It's saying that the US and Iran have agreed to a ceasefire, but again, there's no other official sources which are pushing this headline. They're citing unnamed sources from Iran and Pakistan's military.
Got to be careful with that.
Again, we've heard contradictory headlines today. We had a US official say that Iran and the US are not talking. They have no indication of an agreement at the moment. And we also, of course, had Iran and Oman saying that they...
Damn.
Saying that they were
might
going
come right back up
to an agreement to manage the Strait of Hormuz themselves. So again, taking this with a pinch of salt, this is unconfirmed, just coming from RIA. But it is, again, it is saying that the US and Iran have agreed.
So those fucking articles really hurt us, man, because we don't know. I hate when it's unverified shit. I feel like it's just them pushing it out so that they can make money on a little spike. Gonna do now. Damn, that shit missed me by like 2 points, bro. I don't know what this is gonna do, guys, so just be careful. Unconfirmed ceasefire for another country. We got an order block here. It should dump. But again, headlines is different, you know? Nice. Going for 300, Space Boy says. Good. I thought I was right there, and then that weird article came out. We're on that orb low again. It's fighting. Can't tell. He kind of like recovered. See what 50% of this is. Big ass candle. Got 261, so the way that this is just like fighting tells me it wants to go down, but it just keeps getting ripping back up. A little bit lower. All right, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it, man. We got it. I think it wants lower, but I don't know. I don't know. Stop playing games with my heart. Andres, you're still in along? What's your TP area? I don't know if it's gonna go much more, my friend. We end the day, yo. What the dealio? Oh, what the dealio? I mean, it should come down. It really should. See if it pulls back a little bit, and then maybe we can short one more time. 29,306. But what's your entry? Did I ask that, or did I ask your TP? Oh yeah, break even. All right, that's good. I really want to short it. I'm gonna short it. Very small TP, about 10, 12 points. Looking for 253. We'll see. We'll see. I'm thinking it goes to 247, but It goes both. It can go either or. See what happens. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Help me grow. Help me grow. Guys, we also do giveaways. Use my code BULLY. Gets you an extra slot on the wheel spin. Free Discord in the bio. That's when I announce it. And then we do a live wheel spin. Come on. Drop down, baby. Yeah, it's gonna be now or never, so the volume doesn't die. I thought it was gonna go down faster, but it's not. Could be a bull flag. No, it might be a bull flag. Nope. All right. Good denial. Pull back. I'm sure it's like the 60%. Let's see. Yeah, about 60%. We're still below. Andres, yeah, maybe you might get it. That's good. All right, we're back above the orb blow. So let's see. This is where they all get tricky, brother. Yeah, this might be like a break to the upside. It could go either or right now, in my opinion. I'm rooting for us both, brother. Since you don't mind holding, can we go down first and then go get you? There it goes. Damn, just 3 micros. 130, bro. 130. Fucking bullish again, dude. Let's see how this reacts here. Way. Yeah, we become the soul collected. I'm gonna add more though if this does. So probably gonna close it now. Well, let's see what the fuck happens here. I'm gonna close now. And then if my sweep comes in, I'm gonna double it. No, I didn't want to get back that money, but it happens. All right, let's see. We got a soul move here. Let's see how it reacts. So I'm out of the trade. I want to see on how it reacts here. And then if it starts closing below, then I'm going to short heavier to like 266. Again, everything's risky because we're after 4. Close below it. That's my support and resistance that I would like for it to close below, and then I'll short again. But it's got to do it, you know? If it doesn't, it keeps ripping up like it wants to. Damn, see, like now it looks long. Trying to be patient here. Kind of looks long. See, there's a pullback here.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
The phone.
The phone. Welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
This looks long, guys. It looks long now. Just not holding. We're after 4 o'clock, so things get a little caca. Yeah, like that's good pullback. Trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient to see what it wants to do. Pat, you're working on your street skills, your hard skills. Still fucking holding though. It's you feel me? Man, I want to short it again. What the fuck? I'm all over the place here. Let's see how it
Tasmania's
reacts.
report that Iran and Oman aim for a permanent Hormuz route in 60 days. So Iran told negotiators that the US must correct its errors and return to its commitments if it wants the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz.
Come
That's
on!
Deputy Foreign Minister Garibaldie telling State TV.
Every time I get in, there's some news.
So again, this is kind of going against the unconfirmed real news
Agreed,
reports we
Joshua.
had earlier. At least the implication here is that there is not an agreement.
Under pressure. This thing doesn't know what the fuck it wants. Ten seconds for a new candle. I think it goes down, bro. I'm gonna test this. 284s. My way or the highway. My way or the highway. Oh my god, just go down, bro. Keeps getting eaten up here, so
Daddy?
careful.
Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
User 819, welcome to the cell, Daddy. My fibs? Yeah, they're like Asia high and low. And then the New York open from 9 to 10. This time I'm gonna stand up and shout, it's my way. I still think this violently comes down. Andres? It could, dude. It could. It really could. There you go. Now it's probably gonna go up. Gonna spike it back and forth here. Well, there you go. Check out my melody. Like I'm not disagreeing with you, Andres. It can go either or. You definitely could be right. Just trying to scalp in between. I think this needs to come back up, but at least make another high. It's my way the highway. Things my way. But time isn't on your side. You mean 500 and eval on one trade? It's not about one trade. It's about the consistency. The consistency. When you're gonna go. All about the consistency. The consistency. The consistency. Fuck you. You know, it wants to just keep rolling, going up. I get my TP and then it starts coming back down. It's very good, Jack. Very good. Get your booty up there. Very good, Jack. There you go. Spike up a little more. Show daddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're right there. You're right there. There you go. There you go. $30 seconds left. I don't know if I really want to trade much more after the 4. I think it might get your spot, bro. This is 3 accounts. 3 accounts. Oh. What kind of ratio is this? Wow, there you go. Probably gonna go 311s. All right, guys, I gotta get off. I gotta get ready for work. What is your average monthly profit percentage? I don't know. I think I'm up 20,000. I've cashed out in the past 20 days. I will be on tomorrow, probably around same time, 2-ish. And then Thursday and Friday, I'll be on in the morning times and through the day. If you're not following me, hit that follow button. I got a free Discord in the bio. If you made any money with me, please give me a follow. Help me out. Help me grow. We'll be doing a giveaway this week of Lucid. My trade day, I'm probably going to take a $500 payout today. It's a daily payout for my trade day. Very nice, very nice. Who doesn't like money every day? I do. Other than that, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, I got my schedule up at Discord, so I'll catch y'all later.
Daddy, chill.
Bully Bear says doses.